How does one make Crocs look stylish, or is that just impossible? Crocs, those quirky rubber clogs that spark love or disdain, have long divided the fashion arena. Despite their questionable charm, this polarizing footwear remains a fixture in many wardrobes. But can Crocs truly be styled with flair? Some bold fashionistas insist they can, embracing these colorful clogs as a standout choice. By pairing them with edgy accessories or minimalist outfits, they're turning heads in the best possible way. As fashion continues to redefine itself, perhaps the real question is whether style is subjective, an expression of individuality rather than adherence to norms. Crocs are a fresh canvas for self-expression, and with a bit of creativity, even the most skeptical can discover their fashionable potential. Understanding Crocs as a fashion statement, Crocs have gone from being a practical, quirky shoe to becoming an undeniable icon in the fashion world. Many might wonder if these foam clogs can ever be stylish. Surprisingly, they have managed to wade through skepticism and find their place among trendy footwear. But how did this transformation happen? Let's explore the evolution and current standing of Crocs in the fashion landscape. Historical background of Crocs. Crocs originated as a boating shoe back in 2002, designed for comfort and functionality. Their lightweight, waterproof features made them a hit among those seeking practical footwear for outdoor activities. Initially, the unique design and bright colors caught the attention of boaters and gardeners. But then something unexpected happened. Crocs stumbled into the realm of mainstream popularity, embraced by health professionals and casual wearers alike. By the mid-2000s, Crocs had exploded into a global phenomenon. They weren't just gardening shoes anymore, they were everywhere. Critics scoffed at their bulky and simplistic design, often labeling them as a fashion faux pas. Yet the comfort and utility kept bringing them back into wardrobes. So how did Crocs go from being the subject of memes to haute couture? It's all in the rebranding and persistence. Current trends in footwear fashion. In today's fashion scene, the rules have changed. Comfort is in vogue, and Crocs have managed to hitch themselves to this trend in a big way. The rise of ugly fashion, characterized by bold, unconventional looks, has opened doors for Crocs to stride confidently onto crimson carpets and everyday streets alike. Crocs now fit effortlessly into the contemporary style landscape. They've collaborated with high-fashion designers and celebrities, creating limited edition collections that fly off the shelves. And who would have thought this quirky shoe could double as a canvas for self-expression? With custom gibbets charms, wearers are adding their unique flair, turning every pair into something personal and stylish. So are Crocs a fashion statement? Unquestionably. As trends evolve, Crocs have embraced the blend of comfort and individuality that defines today's footwear, making them not just acceptable, but sought after in the world of fashion. Styling Crocs. Outfit ideas. Crocs have transformed from a quirky fashion item to a staple in many wardrobes. With their unique comfort and vibrant designs, making Crocs look stylish can be fun and creative. Whether you're heading to the mall or a casual family gathering, these styling ideas will help you put your best foot forward. Casual chic looks, putting together. A casual yet chic look with Crocs can be as simple as pairing them with your favorite jeans and an oversized shirt. Imagine the relaxed vibe of a Saturday afternoon. You want to feel comfy, but still look pulled together. Crocs add that pop of color and comfort, keeping your feet happy while you run errands or enjoy a day out with friends. 1. Jeans and graphic tee. Choose faded jeans and a bold graphic tee for an effortlessly cool outfit. 1. Add some charm by rolling up the jeans slightly to show off your Crocs. 2. Oversized shirt with skinny jeans. Grab an oversized flannel or denim shirt and pair it with skinny jeans. 2. The slouchy top keeps the outfit relaxed, while fitted bottoms balance it out, letting the Crocs stand out. This combination keeps you laid back and ready for anything, kind of like a cozy Sunday afternoon at home. Elevating with accessories. Accessories are like the cherry on top of your fashion sundae. They can turn ordinary into extraordinary. When rocking Crocs, accessories can elevate your look from basic to standout. 1. Hats. Whether it's a beanie in winter or a sun hat in summer, hats bring personality to your Crocs outfit. 1. They add that extra flair, almost like the finishing touch on a painting. 2. Bags. Sling a crossbody bag or a cute backpack over your shoulder to add dimension to your ensemble. 2. The bag can introduce another color or texture, syncing well with the Crocs vibe. Think of accessories as the spice that enhances your fashion dish, making even the simplest Crocs attire memorable. Dressing Crocs up for events. Believe it or not, Crocs can attend the party too. Styling them for semi-formal events requires a touch of creativity, but it's totally doable. 1. With a dress. Choose a flowy summer dress or a bohemian skirt. 1. The softness of the dress contrasts with the casual nature of Crocs, creating a balance that whispers chic instead of shouting casual. 2. Tailored pants. Imagine sleek tailored pants and a fitted blouse. 2. This combination with neutral or monochrome Crocs introduces an unexpected twist, catching eyes and admiration without straying too far from the comfort zone. With these ensembles, Crocs can confidently accompany you to garden parties or evening events, showing they too can dress up and dazzle, just like the stars on a clear night. Celebrity inspirations. When it comes to making Crocs look stylish, celebrities are leading the way. Their creative outfits inspire fans worldwide, turning these clunky foam clogs into something desirable. Are you ready to step into their shoes or Crocs? Let's see how some well-known personalities style these quirky shoes and what makes their outfits pop. Celebrity outfit examples. 1. Brooke Shields. At the 2024 Tony Awards, Brooke Shields took a bold step by pairing a vibrant yellow gown with equally bright yellow Crocs. 1. She demonstrated that comfort doesn't have to be sacrificed for glam, effortlessly combining elegance and everyday style. 1. Her choice of a monochrome look highlights how consistent color themes can make unusual shoe choices work. 2. Post Malone. Known for his unique taste, Post Malone often pairs his signature Crocs with casual streetwear. 2. By wearing oversized hoodies and ripped jeans, he creates a relaxed and comfortable vibe. 2. The key here is balance, grounding an eye-catching pair of Crocs with neutral tones in the rest of the outfit. 3. Justin Bieber. Bieber is not shy to show off his Crocs, often blending them with sporty outfits like track pants and hoodies. 3. This approach shows how seamlessly Crocs can fit into an athletic look. 3. What stands out in Bieber's style is the subtle match between the colors of his Crocs and his outfit, creating a cohesive look. 4. Simone Rocha. With her collaboration with Crocs, designer Simone Rocha elevates these shoes by incorporating elegant embellishments. 4. Her approach makes a strong case for creativity, showing that embellishments and intricate details can transform Crocs into high-fashion items. These celebrities prove that with a little creativity and confidence, Crocs can be more than just comfortable shoes. Whether it's through bold colors, matching themes, or unique embellishments, they turn Crocs into a style statement. So, why not take a page from their book and make your Crocs the star of your outfit? The role of color and pattern. When styling, Crocs' color and pattern choices can really change the game. While some people might dismiss Crocs as hard to style, using the right colors and patterns can transform them into a trendy accessory. Let's explore how you can make Crocs a standout part of your outfit. Choosing the right color is a powerful tool in fashion, and choosing the right color for your Crocs can make a big difference. If you're going for a classic look, stick to basic colors like black, white, or navy. These colors are versatile and can pair well with almost any outfit. Think of them as your blank canvas. On the other hand, If you're feeling adventurous, opt for bright and bold colors. Want to make a statement? Bright red or neon green Crocs can be the perfect centerpiece of a fun, casual outfit. They can add a pop of color to an otherwise simple look, drawing attention in a playful way. When thinking about colors, consider how they complement or contrast with your wardrobe. If you love bright clothing, pick Crocs that balance it out with softer shades. Conversely, if your wardrobe leans toward neutral shades, vibrant Crocs can add that dash of excitement. Playing with patterns can spice things up and bring life to your Crocs. Just like colors, the right pattern can turn your Crocs from utilitarian to stylish. Patterns such as tie-dye, animal print or camouflage can add personality and flair to your footwear. But how do you pair patterned Crocs with the rest of your outfit? The key is balance. If your Crocs are sporting a bold pattern, other parts of your outfit might need to take a back seat. Pairing bold patterned Crocs with solid colors allows the shoes to stand out without overwhelming the eye. Mix and match different patterns with your outfits to see what works. Floral patterned Crocs with a simple dress can create a fresh, spring-like vibe. Meanwhile, striped Crocs alongside a pair of jeans and a plain t-shirt can give a casual yet stylish look. In the world of fashion, creativity knows no bounds. When it comes to Crocs, using color and patterns wisely can elevate them from casual footwear to a striking fashion statement. So go on, experiment to find the perfect combination that reflects your style and personality. Common styling mistakes. Crocs have made a surprising leap from being footwear reserved for comfort to an unexpected fashion statement. Whether you love them or hate them, Crocs have found their way into the wardrobes of many, including celebrities and influencers. While they boast unparalleled comfort, styling them can present unique challenges. Avoiding these common mistakes could be the key to rocking your Crocs with confidence. Over or underdressing, finding the right balance between casual and formal elements in your outfit is crucial when styling Crocs. If you go too far in either direction, the look can quickly become unbalanced. 1. Overdressing. Imagine showing up to a formal dinner in Crocs paired with a tuxedo. 1. While fashion should be about self-expression, it's essential to understand that some combinations might clash. 1. Crocs are inherently casual, and dressing them up excessively could make the look feel disjointed. 2. Underdressing. On the flip side, pairing Crocs with an overly casual ensemble like sweatpants and a basic tee might veer too far into the realm of loungewear. 2. To avoid underdressing, try adding an element that pulls the look together, like a structured jacket or a sleek accessory. When it comes to styling Crocs, aim to keep it casual yet polished. Mixing textures and playing with layers can help blend the casual vibe of Crocs into a more cohesive look. Ignoring proportions can make or break an outfit. This concept is critical when it comes to balancing the bold and sometimes chunky look of Crocs with the rest of your attire. 1. Considering height and build. For those who are shorter or have a petite frame, pairing Crocs with long skirts or wide-legged pants could overwhelm the outfit. 1. Opt for high-waisted jeans or shorts that accentuate your silhouette without clashing with the bulkiness of the shoes. 2. Balancing width and length. The distinctive shape of Crocs demands thoughtful consideration of width and length in your outfit. 2. If your Crocs are wide, balance them with a fitted top or jacket to create symmetry. 2. Long, unstructured garments might overshadow the shoes, throwing off the entire look. It's all about eye balance. Think of your outfit as a scale where Crocs sit on one end. Your choice of top, bottoms, and accessories need to balance the scale, so everything looks intentional and stylish. By paying attention to proportions, you can turn what might seem like an impossible task into a stylish success. These insights can act as a guiding framework when styling your Crocs, ensuring that your fashion statement is both comfortable and chic. Embrace these principles and you'll be well on your way to making Crocs work for any occasion. Conclusion: fashion is subjective, and style is what you make of it. Crocs, often criticized for their unconventional appearance, have found a unique place in the fashion landscape. They demonstrate that with creativity, any footwear can transcend traditional style boundaries. Embracing the bold colors and pairing them with casual, comfortable clothing can turn them into a statement piece. Whether you follow celebrity styling tips or explore your personal aesthetic with accessories, Crocs can look stylish with the right approach. Reflect on how fashion evolves and how you can push the limits in your style journey. Share your Crocs styling experiences or tips in the comments. You might inspire someone else to step out in their Crocs with newfound confidence.